Let's take a look at the composition of transformations. One of the most important pieces is this symbol right here, this little circle, is what we call the composition symbol. Basically, if we were to read what's written here, it would say perform the reflection of the translated image. So in other words, we would need to translate a point first and then reflect it in the x-axis. Take a look below and see if you could figure out of these two examples of a composition which transformation we would need to do first. In the first example, you'd have to do the rotation and then take care of the translation. And in our second example, you'd have to take care of the reflection in the y-axis and then reflect those points in the line y equals x. So one of the most common questions that you may see is to transform a triangle or some other polygon according to a composition rule. In this case, they give you triangle ABC, and they would like you to translate the triangle 4, -5 after you reflect the triangle on the y-axis. So the first thing we need to do here is reflect the triangle on the y-axis. When you reflect the triangle on the y-axis, you're going to end up with a few new points. The A prime 6, 5, B prime is 4, 8, and C prime is -1, 6. Now remember, after we reflect in the y-axis, we do that piece that's over to the right first, right, the reflection on the y-axis. Then we're going to take those points and we're going to translate them for -5. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these points right here and translate them for -5. After you translate the points for -5, you should end up with the answers of A double prime at 10, 0, B double prime at 8, 3, and C double prime at 3, -1. And that's how you perform a composition of transformations.